Okay, so I'm going in with my sponge and just cleaning up my line here. Then I am going to line my eye. And I'm doing my liner right on the line, not below. I actually line up here as well. Again, it's hard to do this in here. In this, let me use my mirror because I usually don't touch my eyeshadow once I have it on. And what this does, it actually is going to make your lashes look fuller than what they are. So let me just go back over this. I have my mascara, which is Grandoy by Lancome. I think it's called, I can't pronounce it, child. Just look it up. See, look. It's the shit. Now I put a couple layers of this on because again, I don't have any eyelashes. So I need to, and when I say eyelashes, these are not fake eyelashes. I don't have any fake eyelashes. These are my eyelashes. So I need to extend these and make these little girls show as best as I can, honey. Okay. So that's done. Now I need to put on my lip liner. I do my lip liner on the inside of the lip because I want my lips to look smaller. They're very nice and full. If you have smaller lips, you want to outline on the outside of your lip to make your lips appear larger than what they are. And then I'm going to go in, actually with a couple colors. It's called layering. So right in here, I want to do a little gold. And on the outside, pop them lips, honey. And then I always grab a tissue and I dab around. To clean my line up. And voila, my makeup is done. Now, I am natural. So I'm gonna show y'all, I just did a couple twists on my hair last night. All I'm going to do is go in and unravel. Each of these twists I did. Sometimes I will braid it. I'm still getting used to the natural things. So, you know, for me it's still a little challenging when I want to wear my hair down. So, and again, I did this and then tied my hair up, went to sleep and all that good stuff. This is my first time that I twisted my hair in this fashion. I think it was on like maybe 4 or 5 twists total. So I'm just unraveling and pulling and all that good stuff. I don't even know if I'm gonna like this hairstyle when it's out, but we about to see what she looking like. Right now she looking a mess to me, child. But the glory of being natural is you're natural. So I'm gonna take my head and turn it upside down and pull it out like Becky, honey. Get your Becky on when you are natural. Pull your hair out, stretch it. Finger untangling. I'm gonna put on my big earrings and we're ready to go run these Atlanta streets. It's raining, but I'm happy with that. And that is not only my first makeup tutorial, but this is my first video of me showing you what the hell I did with my natural hair. So let me know if you guys like it, if you like to see more, and we'll do more. Hey, have a good day, everyone.